Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Oracle Java JDK on your Ubuntu operating system. So let's get started. First of all, open your terminal, and in here we are going to give some commands to install Oracle Java JDK. So what are these commands which we want to give? So these are three commands which we want to give to install Oracle Java JDK. I'm going to paste all these commands in the description, so you can just directly copy and paste these commands. So the first command is this one, so I'm going to copy and right click and paste it here. And this command is sudo apt-add -repository space ppa :web upd 8 team/java. Okay, so it's going to add this repository for the ppa, and press enter and give your computer password here, and it's going to give you this prompt. Just press enter at this time, and then everything is okay. Now the second command is to update all the repositories, so just copy sudo apt-get update and paste it here once again, and once again press enter, and this is going to update all the repositories. Right now the third command is actually the command to install Oracle Java JDK. Okay, so once this is complete, we are going to just copy the third command, which is sudo apt-get install Oracle -Java 8. At the time of making this video, Java 8 is the latest, I think, -installer, and it can change in future. It can be Java 9 or Java 10 depending upon the version. Okay, so just give the third command and paste it here and press enter, and it's going to install this Java JDK on your Ubuntu operating system. So once the installation is done, you can see the success message. For example, Oracle JDK 8 installed, Oracle JRE8 browser plugin installed. Right now, to check whether it's really installed or not, what you can do is you can just write Java minus version here and press enter, and it's going to give the version of Java installed, which is 1.8.0 in my case. Okay, now sometimes you also need to set up environment variables, something like Java home also. So what you can do to enable these environment variables? So first of all, let's see where this Java is installed in our system. So go to your folder explorer, and in here go to computer, and in the computer go to user, then I think lib, and in here you will be able to see JVM folder. So search for JVM, and in here you can see this Java 8 -Oracle. Okay, so what we need to do next here is I'm going to open the terminal once again, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to first of all clear this terminal, and I'm going to give this command. So just give gedit or gedit, or you can also work with nano to open this file, which is in etc/profile. Okay, so just open etc profile file. So just write profile and press enter, and it's going to open this etc profile file in gedit, which is here. Okay, now you can see this etc profile file. It will look something like this, and to add the environment variable here, what you need to do is you need to go to the last line, and just below the last line what you need to do is just write export, and then in capital letters Java underscore home, and then is equal to, and then give the path to this location, which is user slash lib slash jvm slash java 8 oracle. Okay, so to copy this folder path, you can just press or right click on any file here inside this java 8 oracle folder and click on properties, and then you can just copy this path from here. Okay, and then paste here in front of the Java home, and then save this file, and then it will be done. But you can see I cannot have the save option because I haven't opened this file with the super user permissions. So what I can do, I will just copy this line first of all, or cut it, and then close this file once again without saving. So close without saving, and I will open it with the sudo command. So just add sudo here, sudo gedit etc profile once again, and press enter, and it's going to open this profile file once again, and once again go to the last line and then paste the same line which we have written last time. Export in the capital Java underscore home is equal to the folder location of Java -8 -Oracle folder. And now just press save, and it's going to save your file, and then just close your file. Okay, so this is going to set Java home environment variable for your Java. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment,